Hi, just a quick video on how warehouse leads is working in Adversus. First of all, in order to find all your leads, you need to go to warehouse and then afterwards leads. When you go in here, you will automatically find all the leads you do have on the account. As you can see on this account, there is a total of 8 leads. We give you some additional information, name, address, and so on. What you're able to do in warehouse leads is to filter your way until you find the specific leads that you would like to find. This could be that you want to find specific leads on a specific campaign. For instance, you only want to find leads in the booking campaign. Could be you only want to find leads with a specific status. It could be that you both want to find the not interested as well as the leads that are a success. Could be that you wanted to find leads that are contacted this week, for instance. Then you'll do it like this. It could also be that you want to find the leads that are last contacted by a specific person, and so on. So you can filter your way on leads to all the campaign data that is on the leads. You're actually also able to filter on the data. For instance, if you only want to find the leads where the name is actually Jonas, for instance, then you'll actually do it like this. And you'll see that it will only find the lead where the name is actually Jonas. So as you can see, we find one lead that matches all the filters. It is contacted this week. It is on the booking campaign. It has the status of either success and not interested, and the name is actually Jonas. If you want to go to the lead, you can simply click on it and then go to lead. And you can see all the information on the lead, as well as you can see the activity on the lead, when it was called, who called them, and so on and so on. As I mentioned in the beginning, we having added the additional information, name, address, and so on. You're also able to add more information. Let's assume that you would like to know the zip code of this lead. This lead doesn't have any information in zip, therefore it is not visible, but if there were any, it will be shown here. You can also delete one if you don't want to see which campaign it's on, because you know that this is on the booking campaign, for instance. You can also remove them and edit the change up. Also, when you have found the leads, you have the possibility to do some actions. If you go to actions right here, the most common action is to add the leads to another campaign, to delete the leads if you want to do that. You can also delete the recordings if you do have any recordings on the leads. And assign as callback is also very common if you have found all the leads that have the status of VIP redial or private redial, and you want to move them to another person because the original person had stopped working at your place. Also, you're able, let's assume you found all the successes made yesterday, for instance. Then you're able to save this view. So each day you are able to go into views and find all the successes made yesterday. So it's a view that you often use, then it can be beneficial for you to save the view. You're also able to export it into an Excel spreadsheet if you would like, and you're also able to automatically export the data. Again, if you have found all the successes made yesterday, it could be that you each day want to receive an email where the leads that were saved as a success yesterday is in. Then it could be beneficial to create the automatic export. This was just a quick overview on how it's working. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. Have a great day.